I don't understand.
Let's do this.
Bridges. I don't get how the workers didn't just fall through the bridge. There's no support while making the bridge.
The foundation is one of the most critical parts of a bridge. It has to be strong enough to support the entire structure and construction process and withstand forces like weight, wind, and water flow. Foundations are usually made by driving large piles deep into the ground or by pouring concrete into sections that have been excavated. After the foundation's in place, the main structure of the bridge can be built on top of it. For bridges that are built over deep water, construction crews build cofferdams or lower caissons into the water to create a platform for the concrete towers to stand on.
Northwest, east, and south. Folk be like, oh, I'm headed northbound. I don't know what the hell you talking about.
As we say in Britain, never eat shredded wheat. The four main directions are called the cardinal directions, and they're used as a universal standardized system for navigation and mapping. The planet spins on an axis, and the top of that axis points towards what we call the North Pole, while the opposite end points to the South Pole. Because of this, the north is a fixed direction on Earth, and one of the oldest ways that people found direction is by using the sun. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So if you face the sunrise, you're facing east, behind you is west, to your left is north, and to your right is south. Another natural method is using stars. In the northern hemisphere, the most important star for navigation is the North Star, Polaris. It appears almost directly above the North Pole, so if you can find it in the night sky, you know that you are facing north. A more reliable tool is the compass. This has a magnetized needle that aligns with the Earth's magnetic field, which means that it points towards magnetic north. This makes it easy to determine all of the directions from wherever you are.
It's baby talk. Folk be grown as hell, then they see a baby, then it's, oh, chicken, mama, boo-boo. They don't understand that shit.
One of the most universal human behaviors is baby talk or infant-directed speech, and it's not just used for fun. Researchers have found that infants that are frequently exposed to baby talk develop larger vocabularies and grasp new language faster. It can also help to strengthen the bond between the caregiver and the child.
I had a dream me, Barbie, and Ken went to dinner. Barbie went to the bathroom, and Ken tried to holler at me while Barbie was in the bathroom. Unrealistic. I don't get it.
Dreams are one of those mysterious aspects of human experience. They occur mostly during REM sleep, during which the brain is highly active. While the exact purpose of dreaming is not fully understood, we think that dreams help us in several ways. One, by transferring information from short-term to long-term memory, which strengthens what we've learned in the day and clears out unnecessary information. Two, emotional processing and regulation. Dreams can allow our brains to process difficult emotions and trauma in a safe space. Three, dreams may have an evolutionary purpose by helping to simulate dangerous situations, which allows us to practice our responses to potential threats in a safe space.
It's faxing. You saying I could send somebody in Canada a piece of paper through a machine?
Faxing works by scanning a piece of paper, converting it into digital signals, and transmitting those signals over a telephone line. The receiving machine reconstructs the image at the other end and prints it out.
Number 6 are tolls. You saying I gotta pay some imbecile some money just to get my car down the road?
Money raised by tolls usually goes towards building new infrastructure, maintaining existing structures, and funding future transportation projects. Tolls can also help to manage traffic congestion by encouraging people to car share or take alternative routes. Keep asking questions and never stop learning.